Staff training. Staff training, I think, is one of the biggest things that we cannot overlook when we're talking about providing quality food to our kids. So our staff, I don't know everybody in the audience. If you are working at the front line of the kitchen, you are a part of the office staff, you're an admin, a director, somewhere along those lines. But we cannot just bark orders to people and expect them to do without some kind of understanding. I think it's very beneficial when our staff understands why these changes are coming. Sometimes they'll think like, oh, the director's just crazy. She must hate us. Like, I've heard the craziest excuses as to why they do things without telling me the real reason why they do things. Making sure they understand the compliance. We can't go making some menu changes without getting a request first. My example of that is always with vegetables. I don't know how many people think, well, I can just swap out green beans for broccoli. They're both green. They're not. They're green in color. They don't fall under the same subcategory of vegetables. So they must be making menu change requests, especially because we don't want to mess with our weekly average of sodium. So those standardized recipes, if you haven't taken a look at your recipes in a while, now's the time. Take a look. See, are they up to date? Do they fit within our standards? Does everybody have access to those standardized recipes? I know that some people kind of give a little bit more freedom to their staff to do what they like. Ooh, I recommend watching out for that. I don't know how many of us have heard staff members say, oh, but my babies like it this way. Well, the way your babies like it is putting me out of compliance, and I don't want my reimbursement held. So we're going to stick to a standardized recipe. I call those people my cooking with love people. Like, oh, that doesn't taste good, baby. Let me add in a little bit more salt for you. Please, no, please don't do that. Please follow a standardized recipe. If they understand the why of those standardized recipes, they're way more likely to want to do the right thing. And again, this all goes back to our kids. We are in the business of feeding children. We are in the business of feeding kids healthy meals they want to eat. So helping them understand too much sodium is really not good for these guys. We've got ranges for a reason.